Birbies, birbies. So hot. But you won't come down for some reason, like whether the hose misting has scared you off, but no movement at all. One turkey monster though. Dripping a bit. She's probably happier than Shake It Off turkey, because it's about 39 degrees Celsius as I'm recording this. She wasn't too sure when she walked in, because it was like, oh, what is this wet water? What is this wet stuff? The desire for food overcame everything. Yeah. So all the twos are up there, just getting cooked. I think they're all the jubies, but yep, there's a bunch of them hidden away up there, but they're not coming down, despite panting and wings up. Come on, silly buggers. What you doing, turkey meister? You going now? Very weird. They are enjoying the addition. Whoops. On the flockery of the rockery, or the rockery on the flockery, whichever. Yep. Another fountain. So it only took about a day before the twos started to visit it. Now, turkey meister, don't you dare dig up the grass. You lot have dug it up enough.